Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. It's Susan, and I'm just hanging out in Marytown on this sort of overcast Saturday, and I came across, look, for me it was kind of an amazing discovery, and I just wanted to share it with you real quick. And it's that you can make a shaker die out of, I was going to say any die, but not actually any die. I imagine you couldn't do it out of the really like intricate ones, but any basic frame die, in this case little Christmas ornaments, you can make a shaker out of. And here is an example of the one I made today. And okay, it kind of looks, oh no, it's shaking, yay. It wasn't shaking before, but there you go. If you like, I'll do like a craft along with me or tutorial or something and show you how I did it. But just to tell you real basically, first I'll show you the other one. So that's this one, and actually it's not this one, it's a little bit bigger one in the same basic shape, but what's the best way to show that? There you go. It's got that little Merry Christmas that I showed in my haul video last time, and little Christmas trees and red and gold sequins. But anyway, if you don't want to watch a whole tutorial, or if I don't even do one, I'll just kind of run over it real quick. So what I did, I cut out each die twice, and here's another little money saving tip. This is what I used, just packaging, that kind of packaging. That's what I used for the shaker part. Okay, so I cut out all in one go. I just layered them up. I cut out the foam, which in this case, well, in the case of the first one that I did that came out a little bit too skinny to be a shaker, I used real thin foam die, but I realized it would be easier just to use the what is it, the 3mm or the 5mm, and that way there's room for everything to shake around. But you just layer it all up, 2 pieces. But here's the kind of fiddly part, and this is where I may lose some folks and why I may not do very many of them. For the top one, you go around and you kind of follow the line, the impression left behind when you cut the die, and you just cut the middle of it out. And then you glue the, whatchamacallit, the clear stuff to the back. And then I took the easy way to do it is to get the color of foam that you don't mind showing. So if it's got a black background or something, like that would have been better to use black foam, but I went around with the black Sharpie. But anyway, you get the general idea. So I won't ramble so this doesn't go on and on, but thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you again soon. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.